Bienvenidos, Ushamdi, and welcome to CMIT-454, Cisco CCNA Security. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to access Netacad resources, specifically how to log in, launch your course, and locate the resources in Netacad that will be most valuable to you. I want to first start this tutorial off by saying that you should always use the Firefox or the Google Chrome web browser when accessing Netacad. Do not use Microsoft Internet Explorer. There are several issues with Internet Explorer and Netacad. So again, you should always use Firefox or Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and get started. Your first step in accessing Netacad will be the receipt of an email from the Cisco Networking Academy. This email is generated when I create your Cisco Networking Academy account and add you to the course to which you have enrolled. In this example, you would be taking CMIT-454, Section 7980, 2192, in the spring of 2019, the second 8-week term. When you receive this email, you should go ahead and log in at netacad.com. Again, always use either Firefox or Google Chrome. When you arrive at the login screen, you would simply click in the upper right-hand corner on Login. You would enter in your screen name or your email address, followed by your password. You would then click Login. Once you have logged into Netacad, you will see your course listed under the I'm Learning tab, and it will also say Courses I've Enrolled in. For this example, I'm going to be using CMIT-454, Section 7981. Once I'm here, in order to access my course, I would simply click on Launch Course. The Launch Course button will take me to the main landing page for CMIT-454, Section 7981. Let's take a look at the different categories of information we have listed on the left-hand side. The home page is the page we are currently on. The Modules page will show you a list of the course broken down into modules. It's important to note that these modules do not correspond one-for-one with the weeks in our course. There are several weeks in which we will be doing multiple modules in a single week. For example, in week number 1, you will be completing both Module 1 and Module 2. This is just one way you can access your chapter quizzes, read a chapter in the online text, or take a chapter exam. Remember, all evaluation activities with respect to quizzes and chapter exams is done here in Netacad. Under the Assignments tab, you have another way to access the activities for the course, specifically the pre-test exam, the chapter exams, and practice skills assessment activities. These will be activated as we make our way through the course and get closer to the end of the course. If you'd like to practice on material from a chapter, you can take a chapter quiz. Each chapter quiz has been activated so that you receive 99 attempts on that quiz. Remember that quizzes are not graded and do not count against you based on the number of times you take the quiz. The quizzes are here as learning activities for you to practice and check your understanding and comprehension of the material for that chapter. The syllabus link. The syllabus link will show you the due dates for all of the activities once the semester begins. It is important to note that this syllabus is only relevant to the assignment deadlines in NetAcad. This syllabus is not our UMUC CMIT-454 syllabus. To access that, you would return to the course Leo system. Next, we have discussions. There will be no discussions in NetAcad. In other words, all of your discussion forum activities take place in the UMUC CMIT-454 course Leo system. If you'd like to check your grades on activities, you could simply click on Grades. Finally, we have People. This will simply show you a listing of the enrolled students. Remember, if you choose to drop CMIT 454, you will be removed from the NetAcad course and will no longer have access to NetAcad. It's very important that when you look on the left-hand side and you locate the inbox icon, that you do not, under any circumstance, use the inbox or the email system in NetAcad. This is not checked regularly by myself, and all course communication needs to take place in the UMUC CMIT 454 Leo course system. So, how do you access the online text? Let's go back to Home, and you can see that here you have CCNAS Launch Course. If I click on Launch Course, this will take me to the course online book. Across the bottom of the page, you have a number of resources that can help you locate material easily in the course, or you could simply take a look at the course index to jump to a specific chapter or a specific section in a chapter. You can bookmark chapters or pages. You can view recent pages. You can change the language. You can even simply click Return to Class to return back to the main landing page of your class. So, for week 1, I would click on CCNAS Launch Course, Chapter 1, Modern Network Security Threats, Introduction, Welcome, and then Modern Network Security Threats. From here, you can simply make your way through Chapter 1, reading and viewing the information that's part of that chapter. If I wanted to search for something, I could click on Search, and I could type in Zone-Based Policy Firewall, or ZPF, and simply hit Enter. This would take me to all of the pages where ZPF is part of that page. If I return to the class, the final thing we're going to look at are the student resources. Under student resources, there are multiple resources listed that are extremely valuable to learners. You can download PuTTY or TerraTerm, TFTPD32, WinRadius, Wireshark, InMap, ZenMap. You have all kinds of additional information here, packet tracer resources. There's an Introduction to Packet Tracer course if you're not familiar with how to use the software. You can join the Cisco Networking Academy Facebook and LinkedIn communities. There's even a navigation tutorial. And most importantly, there's career advice and Talent Bridge. Both of these resources, Career Advice and Talent Bridge, can link you with possible job opportunities in the industry. To return back to the main page, I would simply click on Home. Once you've completed using NetAcad, if you so choose, you can log out, or you could simply leave this screen up here. To log out, you would click on My NetAcad, your name, and then click Sign Out. To change your password, you would click on My Profile. If you score a 75% or better on the course final exam, you will be awarded a discount voucher, and here's the link where you would begin that process. Let's go ahead and sign out. Remember, accessing NetAcad is a critical component to your success in this course. NetAcad contains the online text. It also contains the chapter exams that we'll be taking each week. It has the quizzes that you can take in order to practice and check your understanding of the course material. All right, that does it for this tutorial on how to access NetAcad, how to log in, launch your course, and locate course resources. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck in your course.